Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create a subtask in Google Tasks. Now, of course, you need to be logged into your Google Task account. Now, once you are here, to create a subtask, it's quite simple. All you need to have is an existing Google Task here. So as you can see here, we have two. So how do we create a subtask? It's quite simple. Just hover your mouse on either task or whatever task you want to have a subtask in. And for example, we want to create a subtask for task 2. We want to click on the three dots here. As you can see, if I hover my mouse on the three dots, it says task options. Now, if I click on task options, this slide down will appear, this pop-up will appear, and there's going to be an option that says add a subtask. So as you can see here, all we need to do is click on this. And as you can see, there is now a subtask. So all I need to do is put the subtask title, so subtask 2, and then you just need to enter the details here. Same way as just creating a new task, and then just add the same, say, schedule or date for the same subtask. So as you can see here, this is more streamlined. And after this, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.